everyone, today I would like to show you a quick look at my new project. This is the kit I shall be working on in these coming weeks. It is being built for an online group build being organized by 1:24 JDM on Facebook. Check that out. And it is being referred to as Project Tofu, where everyone was asked to build a custom track car featuring several conditions that were put upon the builders, and I'm sure that it will be a fun build. For this I have chosen this kit, the Subaru Impreza 2004 from the Rally Japan edition, and let's first begin by taking a quick look at the box. Okay, at some illustrations we can see on the box art. As you can see, this is the gravel lifted edition. Over there, smaller wheels, smaller rims with high profile tires, but those will all be replaced, and this will be my track car for this group build. And yesterday I took the picture with the Project Tofu, and this morning I already started chopping out some parts from the chassis, so I'm sorry for that. However, before I continue chopping everything from the screws, I decided to show you this kit before I continue working on it. And let's begin by taking a look at the body, which is still sealed, as you can see. Let's open it up and take a quick look at that. For me, that's an ideal candidate for a track car group build. Okay, some mold lines to take care of, but otherwise it looks nicely molded. So that's the body. The rims, as I said, these are the gravel edition 15-inch rims, and not very useful for a track car. However, it's not difficult to find replacements for the Impreza. Some more parts, as you can see. And the chassis, something which I have cut out this morning. Basic details. And the glass, including some underbody protection. I can see some spotlights and everything. Not everything will be used for the track car. We'll see what will be used as I go along. More roll cage and chassis parts. This is missing the chassis, which I cut this morning. Some more pieces. Over here there was the differentiation, which, as I've said, I was too enthusiastic this morning before filming this video and chopped it out. Some extra parts we get in here. Some of these parts are actually not used, as these are shared with other kits. Basically, you need to, if you are building it in the Rally edition, you will be using one seat. This dashboard is not used, and there are some other parts like this one for the helmets, which is also not used. Also the headlamps from the previous edition Impreza, not used. But I can see some parts which I really like and will be very beneficial for my track car build, like for example this steering. Okay, what's more, tires and polycaps. The tires, that I've said, these are the gravel edition, very high profile, not very useful, especially for this build. Definitely not a track car tire, but it's included. So these are the parts which I have chopped out this morning, being too enthusiastic. They are back in the bag, and these were chopped out from this sprue. So that will be continued. Brand new sprue. This wasn't a victim of my chopping this morning. However, still will be used, so let's take it out of the bag. And as you can see, there is the driver seat, which is more elaborate than the other two which we have seen. Different dashboard, the rear shelf, very detailed, diffuser, rear spoiler, front bonnet, vent, more vents, more roll cage parts, new exhaust, beautiful. Final pieces, we have some headlamps and rear lamps, the chrome parts over there. Also more clear parts for the headlamps and also for the rear lights, already supplied in red. No need to apply the clear red yourself. Decals, we have these very bright traditional Subaru decals right there. Okay, I must say these are highlighter, very bright. Also the other decal sheet where we have the seat back, the seat belts, license plates, for the windscreen. Okay, nice details. Also, it's great to have the window masks. Excellent, no need to do them yourself. And last but not least, the manual from Tamiya, which explains all the steps you need to take in case you are building it as the rally version. Lots of pages. This is the last part and it is number 19, so there are a lot of steps, a lot of parts. So it will be a fun build to turn this into a track car for the 1:24 JDM Facebook group build. If you haven't checked it out already, check it. Let's for now, contestants are posting videos, are posting pictures of what they are building, but in these coming 3 months, everyone will be posting their progress and finally their finished builds, which I hope to be able to finish this Subaru track car in 3 months' time. So, thank you for watching. Get on the group build #Project Tofu and check out the builds. I will keep uploading more videos of the progress on this Subaru group build, and also you can check pictures of the build from my website jdm24scale.com right there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which should be the first progress on this Subaru Impreza. Thank you.